In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to QuickBooks Online. We'll move from visiting the official website to selecting the plan that fits your business to checking out and accessing your account right away. Keep your business details handy so the process is smooth. Start by opening your browser and going to the official QuickBooks website. Double check the URL to make sure you're on the real site and not a lookalike. And choose your country or region if prompted so pricing and features match your location. Next, look for the QuickBooks Online product page and compare the available plans. Think about how many users you'll need, whether you track inventory, manage projects, or require robust reporting. If you're just getting started, a simpler plan may be plenty. If you have a growing team or more complex needs, consider a higher tier option. You can usually upgrade later, so don't feel locked in. Also keep an eye out for any promotions or discounts visible on the page. Once you've decided, click the Buy Now or Subscribe button beneath your chosen plan. The wording may vary, but it takes you to the same checkout flow. If there's a toggle for monthly versus annual billing, choose the one that fits your cash flow and budget. Annual plans may offer savings, while monthly plans provide flexibility. You'll be asked to create an Intuit account or sign in if you already have one. If you're new, use a business email. You check regularly and create a strong, unique password. This account will be your gateway to QuickBooks Online and other Intuit services, so keep your login details secure. After that, enter your payment and billing information. Confirm your business name and address, select your payment method, and review the order summary. Make sure the plan, price, and billing frequency are correct before proceeding. If you see any optional add-ons listed, only include them now if you're sure you need them. You can usually add them later from your account settings. When everything looks right, complete your purchase. The payment processes within a moment, and you'll be granted immediate access to QuickBooks Online. You should land on your dashboard, where a guided setup will help you get oriented. Take a minute to bookmark the login page and store your receipt for your records. That's it. You've successfully subscribed to QuickBooks Online. From here, you can explore the dashboard, follow the guided tour, and get ready to manage your finances with confidence.